In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to report other receipts received in the new EFS web application. The new web-based system does not utilize schedules as previous iterations of EFS have used. However, the categories in which different data will be entered closely mirror the schedules that were used in the past. In this video, we will be working in the File a Disclosure Report page from the main navigation at the top of the screen after creating our report. For instructions on how to create the report, please view the video entitled Filer Dashboard in EFS. Please note that the Transaction Type drop-down menu, located towards the top of the page, will only populate with items that are applicable for your committee type. To start, select the fifth category for data entry in the Transaction Type drop-down menu entitled Other Receipts Received. Once the transaction type is chosen and the user selects Apply, you will see new drop-down menu options for sorting and columns to view. The choices default to Created Date and Descending for sorting. As for column view, 6 are required, but others can be selected based on personal preference. Once you choose which you prefer to see, select Set Preferences. As we begin here, let's discuss what gets disclosed in this category. It is a catch-all for disclosing miscellaneous receipts that are not contributions to a candidate or committee. Most frequently, this is where candidates and committees report bank interest. The 3 choices for receipt type here are, number 1, interest or dividends, number 2, proceeds from a sale or lease, and number 3, other. Whenever other is selected, an explanation to provide further detail is required. Select the Add New Transaction button to begin entering a transaction. A new dialog box opens. For our example, we are entering in hypothetical interest earned on our committee's checking account from KeyBank. The first question is transaction itemized? Use the drop-down menu to select your response. For this entry, we are showing an itemized transaction, so we select yes. Next, enter the date the receipt is received or select it from the calendar provided. Next, enter the name and address of the receipt source in the fields provided. If this is a receipt source you have entered into the EFS web application before, the fields will populate upon selection from the drop-down menu. Select the type of receipt from the drop-down menu entitled Receipt Type. Again, the 3 options are interest or dividends, proceeds from sale or lease, and other. For our example, interest or dividends is appropriate, so we select that option. Next, select the method of payment for this receipt from the drop-down menu and input a check number if applicable. Usually, interest is directly deposited into a bank account, so we select wire transfer as the appropriate payment method. You will then enter the amount of the receipt. In our example, this is the amount of interest earned in our committee's checking account that month. Please note that the explanation field may be used to provide further information. It is required when other is used as the receipt type. The asterisks indicate what fields are required for saving the transaction. Please be aware that they are not a complete picture of compliance requirements. Select the Save button and a new dialog box opens with the statement, Transaction Saved Successfully. Select OK to close. Transactions will populate in the table on the page as they are entered and after the Add Edit Transaction dialog box is closed. Repeat the processes outlined in this video for all other receipts your committee has received. As always, staff at the New York State Board of Elections is always happy and ready to assist you. Our Campaign Finance Call Center may be reached at 518-474-8200. For technical assistance, Our IT help desk may be reached at 518-473-4803.